guys. Welcome back to my little corner of the internet. I'm going to do a full step-by-step tutorial and review on a product that has been flooding my social media, and I finally bit the bullet and ordered it. It's this triple bundled Luxe product, okay? It comes with Restore, Soothe and Restore, and then the Reflex, which is a curl styling serum. And then last but not least, it comes with this high definition curl enhancer. Okay. I'll put all the links and everything below, but I think I like it. It's pretty cool. I have I kind of have straight hair, but with a little bit of a wave. So let me get started on this tutorial, and I want to know what you think. So let's get started. Okay, so step number one is the Restore. So you're going to take that and a couple of good pumps in your hand. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you get this through all of your hair while it's still soaking wet. So you want to take it and use it almost like you would do your conditioner, except you're not rinsing it out. So take it through all of your ends. I have a really good conditioner, and I probably could have skipped this step and just had used my conditioner, but we'll talk more about that later on. But for all intent and purpose, for the demonstration, you start off with the mousse type of product, and make sure you get it through all of your hair, making sure that it's soaking wet. Okay, then we're going to move on to step two, which is the serum. Now the serum is as you can see, a nice dollop on your hand. And then we're going to take that, and this is where we're going to do all of our scrunching. So make sure you take the hair and do scrunch, scrunch, scrunch all through your hair. I even tried a couple different things. I took a piece and then I would twirl it around my fingers and tried to scrunch it up like that. Just tried a couple of different things. But as you can see, as soon as I scrunched it, there you go, I'm going to twirl around my fingers. We'll see what happens. Yeah, gives a little curl. So play with it and see which way works best for you. I did like the twirling of the fingers, but make sure you scrunch the heck out of it all through your hair, front, don't forget the back. And if you want to do this little method that I'm doing here, this is going to take a little bit longer, but it's another way of doing it. So that is step number two. And then we're going to head on to step number three, which is the tub of the styling, I'm going to call it, I guess, styling gel. And that's step number three. So we're going to go ahead and put that into our hair. There it is right here. We're going to take a good handful. Now, I was a little afraid this was going to make my hair crunchy, but happy to let you know that it didn't. So again, just continue with the scrunching all through your hair. But you do need this step because this is the product that's really going to hold the curl in for the rest of the day and possibly for another day or so. So make sure you scrunch, scrunch, scrunch with the gel. And then we're going to take our handy dandy diffuser, and we're going to go ahead and diffuse the hair. And hopefully you'll be able to hear me because it's a little noisy, a hair dryer, but there we go. So we're going to go ahead and diffuse it. However you diffuse your hair, I like to just take the hair and kind of like bring it up to my scalp, diffuse it that way. And there we go, diffuse, diffuse. I'm not going to take you through the whole drying process, but basically I'm going to diffuse the rest of my hair. So that's it. So what do you think? Do you like it? Should I keep it? I'm thinking I'm going to keep it. I do like it. I don't know that you need all three products, but for all intent and purpose, I mean, that's exactly what I did, what I just showed you. So, and this is the result that I got. And it is, you know, it looks like it's going to stay in for a few days. And I do like it. I have been using the beach wavers, which are pretty harsh. You know, I mean, they're ionic technology and ceramic and everything. So, but it's still a lot of heat. So every now and then I like to give my hair a break. And so I found this product, and I think I'm going to use this maybe once or twice a week to just give my hair a break from the waver. Okay, so these are some really, really important final thoughts on this subject.
as far as the Luxe bundle goes. I purchased the bundle through the website because I had the social media posts. They kept popping up. I said, okay, fine, I want to try it. And I just followed the links. I should not have done that, but I did. So I want you to learn from my mistake. If you go to the website and you buy these products, their return policy isn't the greatest. Like I said earlier in the video, the first product, the mousse type of conditioning product, I probably didn't need, and probably I'm not going to use it in the future. So I wanted to return that one, but I couldn't because it was part of a bundle. That's the first problem. The second problem was you're going to pay for the shipping to come out, and you're going to pay for return shipping, even if you bought them individually on Luxe. And if there's a discount code that you happen to use, I think it said it was 20%, it's ineligible for return. So what I should have done was I should have headed over to Amazon like I normally do. And most of us are Prime members, which means we don't pay for shipping, we don't pay for returns, you don't pay for return shipping or anything like that. It's hassle-free. So what I did was I went to Amazon to check out, and they do in fact have these products, and you can buy them individually. So what I would highly recommend is that you head over to Amazon, and if you want to try all three, by all means purchase all three. But at least you'll have the opportunity to have 30 days and, be able to return it no hassle if you don't like the product. Or if you liked one or two, or if you liked all three, whatever you choose to do. So that's what I would recommend. I have the links to the 3 products below. Please use Amazon because you're going to save yourself the hassle. And I kind of got stuck with that third product because, first of all, I'm pretty sure I might have, I don't remember. Anyway, so it was just too much of a hassle. I didn't want to go through the whole thing. And I just wanted you to learn from my mistake. So use Amazon whenever possible. And and see if you like them. All right. So they were a couple of things that I wanted to make sure that I passed on to you from me. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so I can keep bringing you great content and great honest reviews. And I'll see you in the next go round. Have a great day. Bye. Mwah.